Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you some incredible advances in deep WhatsApp. How to enter add number after that. Let me message this number. Can you see that? I already take the number and I can easily hide this number. I can hide it from chats to other places. See, I chat here. You can hide chat. Can you see that? This one message again. So if you wanted to unlock your message and chat with it, just click on here. Click on chat, WhatsApp. You see, you're able to see the message. Lock it. And secondly, if someone sent you a message and delete it, you'll be able to see the message on the WhatsApp. Hello. See, I sent hello. See, that is a sign of the new message. So click on it. After that, you see you'll be able to see the message. You see, can you see now? Can you see now? You'll be able to see the message. Hello. And okay, I've already said. Hello, how are you doing? Let me answer this message. This is a sign for you to know that the person have already deleted the message. This is a sign. This is a sign here. So we will let you know that the person have already deleted the message. Let me hide the message on iChat. See, can you see here? You'll be able to see the message back here. See, let me unlock the conversation. You can go freely into this message as you like. But if you really wanted to unlock this message, just click on option, you see lock conversation, fingerprints, go back and click on it. Can you see that? If you really wanted to search for websites or some other things, like you have view chat, media, search, mode, display message, wallpaper, more. So more here we see report, block, clear chat, export, add chatbot. If you wanted to add chatbot, like you wanted to add it to your home menu and some other things, double chat here, direct link, use it. You need to see the person link. Also, democratic reaction. I see that in person. I see that. Like voice singer, and take the voice person and take the voice person to any other voice. Search for go to text message, search for web, and search for any website. I see it over here. That so and some other things like on love conversation, play recently emoji. So and some other things like language. If you wanted to change language or any other language, change it to that. If you wanted to upload file, document, camera, and some other things, contact, location. If you really wanted to snap picture, and some other things like message auto reply. If you wanted to send message to someone, auto reply. If someone sent me a message and just wanted to auto reply the person, you wanted to have 50 or 100 people who are messaging you, and you really wanted to send the same message to them. So once they send a message to you, you're able to reply them at the same time. Message the number, mass message. You can send a message to a lot of people, a group, broadcast, limited device, direct messages and settings. So let me quickly show you something on status. So click on status. Now on subscribers. So let me click now. Change the background. Yes, some other thing like text, like background. Text color, size of the text. And if I wanted to really add some English to it. So if you wanted to edit video, chat and group, message. So this is airplane mode. You can activate, you can cancel it. The darkness, the time maybe white or black background. Then you can remove that background. And search camera and option settings. You can add some other things to the settings. Can really hide media from your gallery. Don't forget to comment, share, and like. See you next in my video.